Hey everybody, let's talk about cross-price elasticity of demand. Cross-price elasticity of demand is the mathematical way to find out if goods are complements or substitutes. So if goods are complements, they're goods that are bought together. And if they are substitutes, they are goods that are bought instead of each other. Think about an example of complements and substitutes right now. For complements, you might have had something like peanut butter and jelly. For substitutes, you might have had something like hot dogs and hamburgers. So goods that you would buy one or the other, but likely not both. So here is our formula for cross-price elasticity of demand. You have the percentage of the quantity of one of the goods over the percentage of the price of the other good. And you take that percentage change, and you need to make sure that you pay attention to the signs of each. And if your result is overall negative, the two goods are complements. If your result is overall positive, the two goods are substitutes, meaning the goods track together in this formula. That can be a little confusing because you would think that complements would go in opposite directions while substitutes go in the same direction. But the reason for that is you're looking at price of one versus quantity of another. So let's take a look at our problem down here. If the price of peanut butter goes up 5%, the quantity of Nutella sold goes up 10%. So here are peanut butter and Nutella. Some people eat peanut butter and Nutella sandwiches. Some people eat just Nutella. So are they complements or substitutes? Well, if we look at our formula, the price of peanut butter going up 5% will be a positive 5%. And if you look here, since we only have price, we have to put that on the bottom of our formula. The quantity of Nutella sold goes up 10%. Again, that's a positive result, and that would be on the top. It doesn't matter really what number you come out with. It matters, is the thing overall negative or overall positive? And in this case, it's overall positive, because this is going up 5%, this is going up 5% as well. So price and quantity are the two things you look for: price of one good, quantity of another. Sometimes you'll get three pieces of data to trick you, so find your isolated piece of data, one that you only have quantity or price, and work your equation from there. Then you want to look at what direction the prices are going. Are they going up or are they going down? And here you'll notice they're both going up, so they're both positive. And really, to shortcut this, if you find price of one and quantity of the other, if they're moving in opposite directions, the goods are complements. If they're moving in the same direction, both are going up, the goods are substitutes. And according to my equation here, peanut butter and Nutella are, fill in the answer for me. Hopefully you just said substitutes. Now let me show you right quick, if you're interested in a more detailed explanation, why they seem to move together or apart in ways that seem opposite. Here, if the price of peanut butter goes up, according to the law of demand, the quantity of peanut butter sold will decrease. So if you notice, the quantity of peanut butter sold here is moving in an opposite direction of the quantity of Nutella sold, which would make sense for a substitute good. If the two quantities were moving in opposite directions, that would be the more rational answer. But to trip you up, as usual, AP and college level like to give you price of one and quantity of another. So make sure you pay close attention to that, and remember, negative for complement, positive for substitute. You might could come up with a short way to do that in your head, and I'd welcome that in the comments. Thanks a lot.